Hello and welcome to Angie's Tasty Foodies. For this recipe, rinse 3 pieces of lettuce leaves and fry up about 50 grams of bacon. Then cut up into thin slices 1 big tomato, slice into half 1 ciabatta bread and toast it lightly. Spread over it about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise of your choice. After spreading over some mayonnaise, you can now put over some bacon, as much as you like. Now it's looking so yummy. It is time to put over the sliced tomatoes. You can arrange it well so that it would look more delicious. If you need to, you can sprinkle over some salt. Now you can cover it with the 3 leaves of lettuces. Then complete your whole recipe by covering it with the other half of the ciabatta bread. Now it's time to try it. It looks very tasty. Enjoy cooking and thanks for watching.